this is the beginning of the real beginning of our yard. This right here is, well, this is how we got the house 7 years ago. This was completely eradicated by Paul and Maymay, but it came back over time, so we got to find another way of deleting that. But anyway, that's not the biggest issue. This is my backyard. It's like really tore up. You see that? It's like, it's cool. I like it, but it's tore up. So Kim and I have been working here. We've spent most of the day just out shopping, window shopping mostly, but this is our backyard, and she and I are going to be fixing all of this to make it like a little bitty oasis and crap, or so we think. That tree right there, well, all of these trees eventually will be switched out for something different. But that gazebo is going to go down. It's rotting and falling apart and stuff. And in that corner over there, we're probably going to put a compost all the way in the corner behind the gazebo. And over here or over here, Kim is going to start a mini little bitty garden for her. It'll be like a home starter kit where she can start her own little stuff, and then when she buys her home in a few years time, when she finishes, then she'll be able to pick up her little stuff and she'll run away. But anyway, and of course Callie, the ever-present Callie, is there, and that's Kim right there. And this is what we're going to be doing for the next few years, I think, because that's a lot of freaking garden. And there's a front yard too that I'm going to have to work on, but not today. Yeah, no, I'm not just not that motivated. This right here is my little bitty pond. Yeah, I think you could see little bugs in there somewhere. You know, you could see movement and crap. And I just water, you know, I added water earlier today, and I made sure it was like, it's cool. The cats like it, the raccoons like it. They get fresh water. And when I get home from work, if I'm not too tired, or if not, I'll wait till the third day of work, and then I go ahead and I clean it out again. But this little pond right there will actually be quite a bit different. Eventually, Kim and I are going to switch this over to a larger pond where the gazebo sits. It's going to be a larger pond. It's going to have a water fountain, not a water fountain, a waterway or a waterfall with a pump and stuff, so it'll have continuous flow. And over there, those are our two first plants. There's a citronella plant, and I don't know, a fern sort of something or other. It's called a fern fluffy something or other frittata or frittata or something. I don't know. It sounds like something edible, but also we're going to try to get some, what are those called? Hibiscus. Yes. But you see, while she's working her ass off, right there, you know, she's like working over there. I'm like playing with the camera now. Yeah. But you see, that's right there, the tiny rock in the middle of the pond thing. That was the original fountain we bought to try to figure out if it would work or not. The rock on the outside, that is the waterfall, and the raccoons dissuaded us of its efficacy within 48 hours. Anyway, that's it for now.